this is very nice. Witchy tree.
And if you get yourself in position,
Oh
you
my
get a whole bunch of the cliff face.
Look. Oh my God.
Because of the light.
No, witchy tree. Oh. This is what we're looking for.
They stay there.
Layo ko naman. Layo ko.
Kaya namin yung ano kasi madilim. Because the so bright.
Oh.
Parang ano siya.
The larchie.